Evening, everyone. So the students have been working on fact fluency assessments over the last few weeks. Fact fluency assessments look similar to this. It's every 9 weeks we have to go through and check what facts they have as known memory, or if they have a relational strategy that they could use to help them solve. So, for instance, if the problem is 8 times 9, they could do 8 times 10 minus a group of 8. Um, they could also have an early entry point where maybe they're using skip counting or repeated addition to solve. And then also there is a no entry point. So we've been going through collecting that data, and what I've noticed is a few places where some of my students are struggling are starting with the fours. So I thought tonight would be a good idea to kind of hit the fours and talk about some strategies we could do in order to solve those. So thinking about the problem, like for instance, 4 times 6. So the number one strategy my students like to go to is doing breaking the 4 into 2. So they're going to decompose the 4 into 2 sets of 2, and then they've got 2 times 6 and 2 times 6, which they know is 12 and 12 and 24. This is a very popular strategy with my students to help them to solve. We also need to think about the commutative property. So regardless of which way your student sees how to solve this problem, so instead of 4 times 6, we have 6 times 4. Same situation, breaking this into the twos. I also have students who like to work up. So a lot of students are comfortable with compensation, where they're going to go up to 6 times 5 to get their group there, and that's going to get us 30, and then minus one group of 6 because they went up one group of 6 too many, and that's going to get us down to the 24 as well. So just a couple of strategies there to refresh some ways to get to the answer for any time you're dealing with fours, whether that be breaking the 4 up into two groups of 2 by decomposing, or by going up to a group of 5 and coming back by one group using a compensating strategy. So just thought this might be a quick little good refresher to help you out with those fours. I hope y'all have a great night.